Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your W2 Luxe Stroller Wagon. First off, welcome to the WonderFold fam. For a closer look, you can follow along with your assembly and safety instructions. First, you're going to unlatch the wagon at the bottom, pull it open, and push down on both sides. Once you have your carriage open, grab your baseboard and place it at the bottom of your carriage. Next, grab your two front wheels and insert them into the front wheel housings until you hear a click. Release the C-clamp by pushing it out of the brake unit. You'll then insert the wheel axle in the brake assembly. Insert the C-clamp back into the rear housing. You'll then line up and connect the rear wheel assembly to the rear tube joint. Check that the clips are in place on both sides of the wheel housing. Place the seat into one end of the stroller. Secure the hooks on both sides of the seat onto the stroller frame. Insert the canopy poles into the frame slots on all four corners at the desired height. Latch all four corners to ensure the canopy is locked in place. Slide the basket hooks into the slots. Your wagon is now ready to roll. Now let me show you how to fold it. Unlatch all four corners and remove your canopy poles. Insert the canopy poles into the small storage pockets on each side of the basket. You'll then remove each seat and flip the side pockets into the stroller. Release the upper lock by pushing down on the top latch. You'll then lift up on both sides and secure the lower latch. And there you have it. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.